Hey y'all, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making Italian baked chicken. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need chicken wings or chicken parts of your choice, yellow onion, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, zesty Italian dressing, salt, adobo seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, black pepper, cayenne pepper, crushed red pepper flakes, and smoked paprika. Begin by seasoning the chicken with salt, adobo seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, black pepper, cayenne pepper, crushed red pepper flakes, and smoked paprika. Cover and marinate for 4 hours up to overnight. Slice half of yellow onion. Slice a green bell pepper. Slice a red bell pepper. Place the chicken wings in an oven-safe dish. Add the onion and peppers. Add a half cup of Italian dressing. Lightly season with the same seasonings used to season the chicken. Cover with foil and bake at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, remove the foil and flip the chicken. Bake for another 45 minutes uncovered. Halfway through, flip the chicken and baste. And there you have it, Italian baked chicken. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.